When you can't sleep, no one can. And without a full night's rest, you're just not yourself. That's why Eversleep is here to help. Eversleep is a highly specialized sleep tracker that provides sleep lab-like data and powerful customized coaching tips to improve the way you sleep. Whether you struggle with snoring, sleep apnea, restlessness, or even just staying asleep, Eversleep guides you to a more complete and restorative night's rest. Unlike other sleep trackers, Eversleep generates simple-to-understand measurements to help track trends in your sleeping patterns. Eversleep's app stores your data in a personalized sleep profile you can even share with your doctor. It's the affordable option that provides advanced results without the hassle of insurance, prescription visits, or overnight stays. Sleep comfortably with Eversleep.
Eversleep is...
What if you could control your dreams? Fly over the Grand Canyon. Visit a beautiful island. Or perhaps go back in time to the age of dinosaurs. Now you can. Meet iBand Plus, the EEG brain-sensing headband for inducing lucid dreams and improving sleep. What is a lucid dream? A lucid dream is any dream in which you become aware that you're dreaming without you actually waking up. Dreams occur almost always when you are in the rapid eye movement phase, also known as the REM phase of your sleep. In REM phase, your brain activity is different than in the other phases of your sleep cycle. iBand Plus accurately senses this dream phase by monitoring variations in your brain waves. Once iBand Plus senses this dream phase, it plays audio-visual cues. These subtle external stimuli of light patterns via the LEDs on iBand Plus and sound appear as anomalies in your dream, making you aware that you are dreaming without them waking you up. Once you are lucid in a dream, you can take control of your dream actions and consciously reshape the dream to fulfill any fantasy. Your wildest desires unrestrained by the laws of physics or society. Lucid dreams are vivid and highly immersive. Once in lucid dream, you enter a virtual world where everything you see, hear, touch, taste, and smell is as authentic as reality. Lucid dreaming has been researched scientifically. Many psychologists and researchers have recognized that lucid dreams can help with artistic creativity, problem solving, improving sports and language skills, and can even help people prone to nightmares to get their fears under control. Sleep is also very important to restore energy reserves and strengthen the immune system. Even minimal sleep loss affects mood, productivity, ability to handle stress, and even body weight. iBand Plus tracks your sleep, indicates sleep quality, and gives feedback on improvement. iBand Plus also has the most advanced smart alarm feature that wakes you up with simulated natural sunlight and sounds at the most optimum period of sleep cycle, so that you wake up fresh every time. iBand Plus headband communicates with iBand Plus app on your smartphone via Bluetooth, so you can conveniently check your sleep statistics and improvement suggestions. You can even customize your iBand Plus from this app to set LED light patterns and the brightness, as well as the audio cues. Developers can use our open platform to create amazing new experiences. With future software updates, iBand Plus could be connected to numerous smart devices in your home to simplify your daily life.
Welcome to Dreamlight, mindful breathing practice.
1, 2, 3, 4. Come with me, jump on me, faith in me, care for me.
Hello, my name is Margaret. Welcome aboard. Every day, millions of people travel all over the world, even dogs. And every day, millions of people complain about how uncomfortable it is to try and sleep on a plane. There are 17 wrong ways to sleep on a plane.
But only one right way.
And the right way is Power Siesta. Power Siesta is an ultra-lightweight, compact, and easy-to-use napper that is ergonomic and eco-friendly. In just 3 easy steps, you can sleep on a plane the way you've always wanted. Simply open, lift the inside flaps, securely fit them together, place it on top of your tray table, and relax.
And here are the inventors of Power Siesta.
Hi, I'm Martina,
I'm Luigi.
and together with our partner Horacio, we're the founders of Power Siesta.
Power Siesta was born because just like you, we were tired of being uncomfortable when traveling.
Our co-founder Horacio, who happens to be my dad, is a real-life rocket scientist who's been inventing stuff for as long as I can remember. Because he lives far away from us, he was always traveling and would be super uncomfortable on the long flights. So he decided to come up with a simple solution.
After lots of designs, prototyping, and trial and error, we have now 4 patents pending and what we think is an awesome product.
The 3 of us have been working on it together for the past 2 years.
We're ready to take it to market and we need your help to make it happen.
With the funds that we raise on Kickstarter, we'll be able to place our first order. And that also means that our backers will be the first to get to travel in comfort with the Power Siesta. We have final designs ready to produce, so as soon as our campaign is funded, we'll place our order. Check out our exclusive design for our Kickstarter backers. We are so close to taking Power Siesta from being a dream to the real thing.
Thank you so much for wanting to be part of our story. We can't do it without you.
Now please click that big green button to back our project and get your very own Power Siesta.
Don't suffer while you sleep, and don't just take a power nap. Take a Power Siesta.
I recommend Power Siesta.
Thank you, Doctor.
I was never a morning person. You just have this feeling of dread, feeling like you're going to be tired the rest of the day. You hit the snooze button, hoping that in 10 minutes you'd feel more refreshed. But it never really came. You never really felt that way. And you just kind of muddle through the rest of your day. What would it be like if you could wake up on your own without an alarm? How would it feel? What would you do? That's what we set out to do with the Uplight. The Uplight prepares your body for waking up and helps reset your sleep clock so you start waking up naturally. It's got 16 million colors. It uses the latest version of Bluetooth, so it automatically pairs. There are no Wi-Fi networks, hubs, or other accessories you have to buy. It can even check the traffic and know to wake you up earlier if it's congested. And it's really easy to use. You simply replace your current bulb, download the app, and it connects automatically. Set your wake-up time, and the next morning, the Uplight starts training your body to wake up naturally. There are a lot of other smart bulbs out there today, but none of them are completely dedicated to helping you wake up. We want to make that a seamless, a perfect experience. Think about it this way. You know how a lot of sleep doctors tell you not to stare at your screens late at night? The reason is because even the smallest dose of light is enough to keep your body from producing the right hormones at the right time. And so we thought, let's flip that around. Let's use light to wake us up in the morning, and at night, take out those harmful colors of light that keep you awake, so it's more conducive to sleep. We created the Uplight for average people like me who had never imagined what it'd be like to be a morning person. We created it with travelers in mind, so it's got a durable aluminum casing, so you can take it with you. We created it for students with early classes and the parents who have to wake them up. We have a daughter who is wonderful and has a love for life, but she hit this phase where she just couldn't get herself out of bed. And so we put the uplight in her room, and over the next couple days, she started waking up on her own. She was happy. She was excited about her day. There's no more nagging, no frustration.